Globant Enterprise AI provides an intuitive interface to interact with the different assistants defined in a project. This interface enables effective communication and ensures that the resources allocated to the project are used to their fullest potential. From the platform, you can access this front end through the Playground option. The screen presented is divided into three main sections. The navigation header, which includes user information, project management, and general settings. The side menu, where the assistance and conversation history are managed. And the context layout, which corresponds to the central space, where the main interaction with the selected assistants takes place. The navigation header is located at the top and includes the following components. The project selector, where we choose the project to work on. And the end user information, where we see the user photo, the organization name, and a drop-down menu with several options. It is possible to select the preferred language to use in the interface. If we work in multiple organizations, it is also possible to switch between them. We can also securely end the work session and switch between light and dark mode. Now, let's look at this side menu, where several functions for managing the assistants are grouped together. This menu can be hidden or shown depending on the needs to maximize the workspace. From this option, New Conversation, it is possible to start a new chat. A window opens where all the available assistants are displayed. The panel is organized with the following components. The Favorite Assistants, where we can see the list of assistants marked as favorites. Then, the List of Assistants, where we see all available assistants. This is particularly useful when we need to browse all the assistants of the selected project. And the Conversations panel, where it is possible to manage all conversations, and they are organized in 3 tabs: History, Pinned, and Search. From the History tab, we can access the complete history of chats organized alphabetically. In addition, chats are grouped by time periods to facilitate navigation. In this section, we can perform the following actions. Rename conversations. To do this, we select the chat name. Click on the pencil icon and edit it. Finally, we confirm the change by pressing Enter or selecting the check mark. To pin the conversation, we select the thumbtack icon and the conversation will automatically appear in the corresponding tab. To unpin a conversation, we select the same crossed-out thumbtack icon and the conversation disappears from the tab. As for the Search tab, it allows us to search for specific conversations. Now let's move on to the context layout, which is the main area where we view and manage both the available assistants and the active conversations in Globant Enterprise AI. Selecting an assistant displays the active conversation with that assistant. For example, to request a detailed description of a product, we select the assistant named Marketing Assistant. In the chat box, we type the message following the assistant's instructions. To send this message, we press Enter or select the send arrow. We requested the description of cell phone. Each assistant is displayed as a card with its name and a short description. If the description is too long, the Read More option will be displayed. Clicking on Read More opens a modal window in the same browser showing the full description of the assistant and more details without leaving the current page. Each assistant card also includes a star. When selected, the assistant is marked as a favorite. As mentioned earlier, assistants marked as favorites are automatically added to the Favorite Assistant section of the side menu, making them easy to access. Let's look at this upper part of the central area. We see the open conversations or interactions with the assistants, organized in tabs. These tabs let us quickly switch between different interactions and have a close option so we can end the interaction with a specific assistant when it's no longer needed. Finally, it is important to note that if the selected assistant is integrated into a flow, then it will not start running when the playground is opened. It will only do so after the user sends the first message in the conversation.